Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. The Ohio Lottery has released new tickets today. They released a $1 version, which is right in front of you right now, the Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. I have 5 of those tickets. I have one of the $2 Pink Diamond. I have one of the $5 Plinko, which is looks like it's gonna take a while to play. And one of the $10 white diamonds. So we'll get started with the 5 tickets of the Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. All we're doing is we're looking to reveal a chicken symbol to win the prize or an egg symbol to win all prizes. You can win up to $500. I have tickets 7 through 11. And the odds, 1 out of 4.74. Zoom in on this. I'll be, doing individual. I was going to do all at once, but I'm going to do all these at once, but I decided that each of these games, other ones, should have their own sessions, seeing how that $5 one, the Plinko, basically you have to follow arrows, and then but I'll explain later. It just looks like it's going to take too long to try to do all in one session. Let me zoom in a little bit, because even I, myself, it's not seeing the symbols properly. Alright, so there's a pig. We're looking for a chicken and an egg. Corn. Barn. Tractor. A bell. And milk. So nothing on ticket 7. I am using the Itching to Scratch UK scratcher with the famous Boom Shakalaka on the back. Pardon the fan noise in the background, but I'm upstairs where whenever they designed the master bedroom, they did put an air vent in. However, they did not seem to understand that if you put a return vent in, you do not cover it. I have no idea where it's at, because this is wall-to-wall carpet in this particular room that I'm in right now, and still, after being here 20 plus years, I have no idea where that return vent is, but I have not pulled up every single piece of carpet. Anyhow, so let's continue on. We're on ticket 8 of Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. Looking for the chicken and an egg. Okay, there's a barn. And we have a chicken, we have a chicken, we have a win, win, win. Ticket 8 is a winner. Tractor. Not sure if you can win more. There's a corn. Bell. Alright, we got another chicken, so that's going to be probably a $2 winner. There's one. Alright, so we got $2 out of 5 so far on the Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. That's a pretty good start to get 2 out of 5 so far. Alright, here we are on ticket 9. Just looking, like I said, for the chicken or the egg. There's the piggy again. Okay, we have a sheep, a bell, the milk, the corn, and the barn. So nothing on ticket 9. On to ticket 10. Alright, let's see what we can do. Milk, the bell, the tractor, the barn, the piggy, and the sheep. Oh, did I mention? Okay, yeah, you can win up to $500 on these. We're on the last ticket of this, ticket 11. So far we have $2 winner out of $5. The barn, the corn, the milk, the bell, the sheep, and what do we have here? We have the piggy. So $2 back out of 5, only a $3 differential. Not bad. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.